Usha Martin University AV8 Center is a dynamic hub for multimedia presentations, interactive lectures, virtual collaborations, and immersive learning experiences. It is equipped with innovative audiovisual equipment and services. AV Center, where technology improves the educational experience, where creativity and inspiration converge. In this multimedia-rich atmosphere, embrace the future of education, open your mind, and discover new possibilities. Mixing equipment, editing facilities. Usha Martin University has mixing equipment and editing facilities, which includes music editing, video editing, and broadcasting. It enables professionals to refine and enhance audiovisual content to meet specific creative and technical standards. Media Studio. The Usha Martin University Media Studio is designed for the development, production, and editing of audio, video, graphics, and multimedia projects, among other types of media output.